for the week ahead, I want to spend some time to talk about trading. Now, over this month, we have had some really heavy hitters in our Discord server, members who have spent months studying rigorously and understanding about the structure and the algorithms, and to set themselves right to become profitable traders. Now, I want to set some expectations regarding this. That firstly, this is hard work. Trading is a professional skill, and that means you have to devote the time and the commitment to study and to know how to get there. And if it's a lifetime skill and you are competing with the best minds on Wall Street, this is an elite level of activity. You are literally competing with world's best, world-class people, sharpest minds. And if that idea of qualifying yourself to be among the best does not excite you enough, then I hope you look at this and see that you belong together with the best, and therefore you must up your game and you must improve every single day, sharpen yourself in order to compete with the best. This is a lifetime skill. It's going to take a lifetime for you to learn, not just about trading, but about yourself. But trust me, it's worth every effort and worth every ounce of energy and time you devote into this. Secondly, I want to address the people who are trading, casual traders, professional traders alike. You need to know why you're doing this. If you're doing this for the quick fix, trying to make money with several contracts without the idea of scaling to hundreds or thousands of contracts, then you are absolutely doing this wrong. You cannot be learning something that you cannot scale. So when you watch something on YouTube, including this video, you need to understand how to be scaling to 1,000 contracts with the same method of trading that you are undertaking. So if someone tells you to take a trade but asks you to have a stop loss that's 1 point or even 0.5 points away, can you realistically do that with 500 contracts? Can you manage your risk that way? Now, that's just a very simplistic example, but the idea is quite simple. There are some things when you trade, you can do so easily. 10 contracts, 20 contracts, something you can easily lose. But are you truly learning something that can help you scale to 500, 1,000 contracts? And that's why you see people can have 5-6-figure days. And if you're not aiming to get there through trading, then why are you even starting? If this is a gambling fix, if this is a quick fix for you, then you are in the wrong game. Find your thrill somewhere else, because trading can give you big rewards, but you need to start at the right place. You need to know how to get there. So if you are a newer member and you have not checked out this Roadmap to 7 Figures ebook that I wrote, and download it here. The link is here in the Discord server. Just look out for this and just download it. Start from stage 1. And it involves paper trading. And are you ready to start with paper trading to start with? Are you humble enough? Are you willing to know that this is a journey? And with every professional journey, it must start with the basics. Are you ready to eradicate all your bad trading habits and start introducing good habits, enduring habits that can help you scale? And more importantly, understanding that this is a journey, that you cannot be having the mentality to get rich quick. You cannot be. This is a lifetime skill. It's a lifetime journey. It's just like life, because one wrong turn, one bad mistake can literally destroy you. And that's the danger of what we have in the trading floor, just like in life. Steer yourself off a cliff in a moment of folly, you are as good as dead. This is as good as life. You just have to be making the best decisions in life. And lastly, and on that topic of making that one mistake, you must always remember as a trader, no amount of green days, no matter how massive they are. I've had $1 million days, but that doesn't define me as a trader. What defines me as a trader is that red day that you have, because that red day will tell you everything you need to know about yourself as a human being and as a trader, not the green days. And especially members who have made so much profit. My challenge to you is this: always look out for the red day, and the red day will define you as a trader. Now, thank you for listening to that. So now let's get back to the charts.